Hello everyone, welcome to Sushna Digital Space Studio. Today we have this Sunday. We have a very excited news today. So coming to the first article of today, Canada issued travel advices for US and China. So here Canada is saying that take precautions to visiting of the China due to the arbitrary law enforcement in China and the US potential safety risks. So here Canada have saying that the citizens have to take precautions of visiting US and China here. So coming to the second article of today, Gujarati father-daughter Jew have been dead shot in US store. So here the father and daughter in the US have been killed and have been dead in the US store here. Here the citizens of the NRI, mainly NRI, the citizens of the India have been raising the concerns over this, and here the government is saying that take precautions in the US and stay safe in the US. So coming to the third article of today, here Tamil Nadu CM delimitation push that faces a allies warning. So here the Tamil Nadu Prime Minister, who is M.K. Stalin, have raising the concerns over the political issues and the potential political risks have been occurred in the Tamil Nadu, trigger the delimitations of the constituencies, which is raising the concerns over the sword of Damocles. Here the issue is creating the ripples have creating the political issues and the landscape. So coming to the fourth article of today, Nagpur violence. Here the CM of the Nagpur have been telling that, who is Devendra Fadnavis, have been telling that here in the Nagpur violence the Reuters have been pay for the damage have been occurred in the Nagpur violence. Here he is saying that the government won't hesitate to use the bulldozers here if necessary. So coming to the fifth article of today, demonstrated wave signs have been and the dance in the protests of Washington. Here the electric vehicles manufactured of CEO Elon Musk have been raising concerns over this, and who have been fed that raising a federal workforce and is cutting the federal workforce here. Here the Trump have saying that here more than the 100,000 of the workforce have been cut and the people of hundreds thousands have been taken from these Elon Musk electric vehicles manufactured companies, which is Tesla. So coming to the sixth article of today, Pope Francis, who has been battling pneumonia more than the 5 weeks, have been discharged this Sunday, and he want to take the rest of another 2 months in the Vatican, and the 88-year-old man pontiff has been advised that taking the any meetings of the large groups or been taking a very special meetings for the high effort. So coming to the seventh article of today, Israeli have launched artillery and air strikes on the southern Lebanon on March 22 after intercepting rockets fired from the Lebanese district near the border. This marked the second order of cross launch after the ceasefire have been occurred. US brokered ceasefire in the November 2024. So coming to the eighth article of today, OpenAI and the Meta are in talks of the dealing of the partnership with the Reliance Jio. OpenAI may allow the Reliance Jio to distribute the ChatGPT in India and is considering to and reducing the subscription price to the $20. So coming to the ninth article of today, a senior Hamas leader have been killed in the Pridon strike in the southern Gaza, as Israel has been intensified and attacks across the Gaza Strip, killing at least 634 of the Palestine since the breaking the ceasefire deal on the Thursday. So coming to the 10th article of today, breaking news, a Turkish has been formally placed Istanbul mayor, who is Ikram İmamoğlu, has been arrested pending trial on the corruption charges days after his detention triggered the mass protests on the country. So coming to the 11th article of today, far-right finance minister Bezalel Smotrich says Israel is planning to recognize 13 more settlements across the occupied Palestine territory despite them being illegal under the international law. So coming to the 12th article of today, thousands of Israelis have been took to the streets of the Tel Aviv to demand of the end of the war war on the Gaza and return to the ceasefire deal. So coming to the 13th article of today, here Houthi leader who is Abdul Malik have been telling that Al-Houthi says that the US decision to dispatch the another aircraft carrier to the region have shown that Washington has failed in its confrontation with the Yemeni group. So coming to the 14th article of today, the UN Human Rights Office has expressed a horror as at the 200 Palestinian children were killed in the Israelis' renewed attacks on the Gaza this week. So coming to the 15th article of today, Finland ranks at the top spot and the US gets the lowest ever rank in the world's happiest country. So coming to this, the Finland have taken a first top spot in the world's happiness country and the US have went to the very low stage here. So this been a very important role in this. So coming to the next article, 16th article of today, at least 14 Palestinians have been killed in overnight and the early morning Israeli attacks on the Gaza, a day after the more than 400 were killed across the besieged enclave. So this war of ceasefire is going to be held that the war could not stop by the both Israel and the Palestine here. Next what will happen we will see. So coming to the 17th article of today, Ukraine have accused the Russia of rejecting a ceasefire after saying that it attacked civilian infrastructure and including the hospital as well. This raising a concerns over the Russia and Ukraine as well. The deal have happened by the Benjamin Netanyahu and the US President Donald Trump is going to the vein here. So these are the articles today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sushna Digital Space Studio. Thank you for joining us.